subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQoo has launched two new 5G-enabled phones in India called iQoo 7 and iQoo 7 Legend. Among these two, the iQoo 7 Legend is the higher variant with BMW M Motorsport racing design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the iQoo 7 Legend features a 6.62-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and the screen supports HDR10+. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset paired with Adreno 660 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the camera, the iQoo 7 Legend supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48MP main camera with Sony IMX598 sensor plus 13MP ultra-wide plus macro lens with 120° field of view and another 13MP portrait lens with 2x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of recording 4K videos and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has an 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with Origin OS skin on top. The device comes backed by 4000 mAh battery that supports 66W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also comes with the largest VC liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.2 by 75.8 by 8.7mm and it weighs around 209.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The iQoo 7 Legend has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 39,990 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 43,990 Indian rupees. And the smartphone is said to be available for pre-orders in the country starting from May 1st. So what do you guys think of this iQoo 7 Legend smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.